Hey, what's going on, trappers? Today, August the 21st, 2021, we are here to talk about Nvidia and why I am expecting this price in Nvidia to explode higher. We're going to break that down today, and then we're going to talk about our price prediction that we already had on the chart in Nvidia. You guys can see it. We expected the price to give us some little bit of weakness, and instead, the market went the opposite direction. We'll talk about that as well. So again, before I break down those two things, if today's your first time ever seeing our video and our content, make sure you tap in with us. Make sure you join us. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel because we're going to give you information that you can actually utilize. We're not here to pump you up. We're not here to give you any excitement, any FUD, any FOMO. We are here to beat the trap. He is the one that is trying to make us lose. He is the one that is trying to make you get in some very terrible positions in the market so that he wins and we lose. So we got to be on the offensive. We got to be prepared and guarded against his every price movement so that we can win and he loses. So tap in with us, join us. Now, he got us on this last prediction, right? On our last price prediction in the video, which was on July the 19th, 2021, we told everyone on our video, be prepared. We could see some weakness come into the market in the video, but take a look. Instead, the trap got us. He got us on this one. We give it to him. He went against our prediction. The market, instead of going lower, went higher in price. Cool. We give him that one, right? So if we were to get out the market in the video on the close of Friday, right, we'll be down about 14.5%. That's cool. We'll give it to him. But guess what? We'll learn from it. We'll become better and see his every price movement so that he don't get us on the next one. All right. This is how you're able to win against the market, against everyone else who's trying to take your money. We got to be on the offensive. So check this out. Let me get rid of this. He got that one. We'll let him have that one. But let's get in position on his next movement, right? So there's two things I wanted to show you all on this price chart without being confused. First, the market in Nvidia is trading so far away from this current trend, right? So there is still in the market for Nvidia the prospect of this market coming all the way back down to test this ascending line. That is still viable because we have diverged away from this trend right here. Okay, the market in Nvidia decided to break away from what started this ascending line back in March 2021. It decided to break off from that and create another trend, another ascending line. And now, rather than the market coming right back down and testing this ascending line, this is what we're getting. Okay, this market price instead is giving us some sideways trading. Okay, or you might even see this trend right here. So what I'm going to do first of all is I'm not here to confuse no one in our community. There's enough confusion already about on YouTube. So let's get rid of this ascending line, right? We need to create an area to where the market is really trading. All right. So this is the area right here that Nvidia is currently following. Okay. Now, even in the midst of this ascending line, there is still the market in Nvidia trading sideways, right? You can also see this price in Nvidia trading sideways. Okay. This could also be where the market is trading. Okay, I don't want to confuse nobody. So these are the two areas that this market in Nvidia is trading in. It could either be trading within this trading channel, right? Or it is creating this type of ascending line. Either or is one of them, right? But in either situation, even in both of these areas were to pan out, the strength into the market in Nvidia is still here, right? We're not seeing any weakness based off what the trap has done following our last video. The strength is definitely here into the market in Nvidia, right? To the point to where you would expect us to see some higher price, even making all-time highs. Okay. Now take a look at the price action in Nvidia on the 3-day time frame. Okay. This market here in Nvidia is extremely strong. All of this price action that occurred into the market in Nvidia that started back in July has been a massive keg of pressurized pressure that's ready to explode. Everyone here into the market in Nvidia is anticipating that this market's going to go higher. You can literally tell from the price bars that this market is geared for another breakout to higher prices, right? You can see it even better on the 5-day time frame. One thing that we can tell is the volume. This volume on a 5-day time frame has been exceedingly higher than the last 3 5-day price bars. And then take a look at where the price ended in Nvidia on this last completed 5-day price bar. We closed at the high of the bar. Even throughout the last 5 days, the market did hit some selling, and we came and bounced off that ascending line to close at the top of the bar. That's pretty good. That emphasizes that this market price in Nvidia is trying to go somewhere, and seemingly is trying to go high in price. This is fantastic. For us to see this price action in Nvidia kind of lets us know that we're trying to make all-time highs once again into the market in Nvidia. Okay, now how high do you think it's going to go? Where do you suspect the price in Nvidia to go? If we're looking for the market to go higher, right, and we are trading in unfamiliar territory, meaning that the trap has never traded price. There's never been a market above the all-time high price in Nvidia right there at $208.65, right? The high actually came in on this weekly price bar from July the 6th, 2021 of $208.75, $208.75. Last week, this last completed weekly price bar was at $208.65. So 10 cents short of making all-time highs in Nvidia last week, right? So now there's no market above $208.75. We have never been higher than that number. So we have an area that there's no market, there's no buyers, there's no sellers. Where do you think the price is going to go? Right? But we're going to play the strength into the market in Nvidia. We are. So let's run the play. Now, this is it. Okay. Now, the first area of TP for us would be around $225. Okay. That's a psychological number that many people would be expecting the market to go. And for us, that would garner us around 8% profitability. We'll grab that. Right, we'll be in position telling the trap, all right, give me that. Give me the money. We're already here expecting you to meet us here. So where's the money? Give it up. Right there, 225. All right. Now, our support area is going to be around 180. I like this area down here, 185, or what is that, like $186? $187 right there is going to be our support price. Okay, now I'm going to take the ultimate area in Nvidia all the way up here around 250. Okay, first area TP $225. Second area, which all the way up here around 250. Now, of course, with no market, you have to be prepared and guarded against price volatility, meaning you have to be prepared to act accordingly once the market reacts and comes back down, because people will just be ecstatic that this market in Nvidia is making all-time highs, and they would be willing to take the profit and go, right? Which means that we will see some increased volatility, meaning price will come back down, and you have to be prepared, which is why I'm going to keep these two lines on our chart. Okay, as long as price in Nvidia continues to trade itself above this ascending line, we already know where we're going to go. Okay. So now let me take it back over to the daily. And let's fix this up. Now, next week, this area is restriction, meaning price can come back down. All right. But like I told you earlier, as long as this market holds this price above that ascending line, we already know we're golden. And that's it. So we're going to play the strength into the market in Nvidia. Definitely like the price action that the trap has been giving us of late. It kind of lets us know that he is still antsy to increase this price. So we're going to meet him where we expect him to go so that we can finally get him at his own game. Join us. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.